Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Let's try to understand what are the basic services provided by the operating system. Although on a broad scale we can say operating system provides all the services to the user which enables him to access hardware or rather access services provided by the hardware without being concerned of the actual hardware. The basic services would include number one, user interface. What is user interface? Remember, whenever you tried to access any of the system, the first thing you came across was a screen. A screen which has a minimization, maximization and cross, which had certain buttons, some drop down list and so many stuff. As a user, you simply did was to click, click, click. This would convey operating system what to do. Operating system would soon understand what to do and communicate with the needed hardware. Here hardware would be performing the actual task. It will give back the result to OS and OS will simply reprint the result on GUI. Before reaching to the concept of GUI, that is graphical user interface, we earlier had command line interface CLI, which is today known as a CMD, command prompt, basically a DOS prompt on which we tend to write whatever we intend to. Then we had a batch processing system or batch interface, which was creating one batch file linked to so many other exes, and together when it was needed it would execute everything. The second thing in operating system is application interface service. Application interface service means what? For this, let's try to understand what's the difference between a program and the process. We simply say when the program is a static entity, when I combine the static entity with CPU, it becomes dynamic. That means running. So, program in state of execution becomes the process. Now, what application interface is doing? Application interface talks about right from loading program in memory as a first step. Second, to allow it to run, that is execution. And the third thing, close. This close can be abnormal, which generally happens due to some kind of hardware failure or some issue which we haven't resolved. And there is a normal failure, or rather normal close, which simply unloads program. One of the next service provided by operating system is the most basic, called as device management. The basic purpose of device management is to talk about another service provided by the operating system is a device management service. The basic purpose of device management service is to provide access and resource management. Now, what do you mean by access and resource management? We simply mean one thing. There are n resources to be used by m users. So what you would do? You will provide a sync access, that is a synchronized access to resources. In our case, we call them devices. So basically device management only talks about one major term is who should be given the access, when should be given the access, so that everybody accesses devices in a proper sync and in an efficient manner.